Ang bongga, no, Astin, Andres, grabe ang support ng fans. Kitang-kita sa Viva Arcada, kitang-kita dito, and around the world. No?
Yes, yun nga. Firstly, I would like to thank, all the fans that are here today. You guys all here in the back. Thank you, keepers. Thank you so much. I'd also like to thank the fans internationally that have supported us and continue to support us along this journey. Sa totoo lang, we never really expected any of this to happen, and coming from Mumutyan and Section E to now hear our first film with the great JPL as your director. Seriously, it's really an honor that I'm really happy. Me and Ash are both really happy that we got the opportunity to work with JPL. I know that they have worked together in the past, but ako naman, I'm really grateful for you, Direct. I'm learning a lot as I go, and it's really an honor.
Yeah, worldwide ipapalabas, no? You guys going abroad to attend the screenings?
May na. Diba?
May nakaschedule na ba?
Pwede ko ba sabihin, or?
Yeah, para mo sa
Yes, we're working on the scheduling now, but there will be showings internationally. We just cannot confirm exactly all the places just yet, but expect to have at least one.
Yeah. Heard from my friends from Spain, Madrid, that a lot of Filipinos there, they're organizing screenings kasi they're all so excited na makita ka ulit at isama mo daw si Astin sa pagbabalik mo sa Madrid kasi ang dami mo naging friends natin.
Yes, marami kong mga Pinoy na friends sa Madrid, and miss ko sila talaga kasi they were my livelihood and they helped me survive talaga throughout my college experience. And sana, if we could have the chance to go back to Spain also, so that Ash could see, I could take her around to Madrid, and it would be really great if we could get the chance to have a vlog screening sa Madrid.
Yeah, ang bongga, mukhang gusto mo siya ilibot nga talaga sa sinabi mo. There's 3 places in Madrid na special sa'yo. Saan mo siya dadalhin and why?
In Madrid, para sa akin, siguro Retiro Park sa Madrid, which is like it's the most famous park in Madrid.
Yeah, malaki niya, no?
Yes, very beautiful park.
Napagod ako sa kakalibot.
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Oo.
Ang ganda, diba? It's very nice.
Yeah, where else?
Retiro Park. Ano pa? I'll bring her sa Sunan University ko para makita niya.
And one more, and why?
Where else pa in Madrid? Basta I will tour here. Pag nandyan na, if the opportunity is there, then yun na.
Yan, aabangan niya ng mga fans nyo. Katulad ng aabangan nila ang minamahal ng September 24. Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.